Everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding and very creative Christmas home decoration ideas and Christmas craft ideas. So one by one, gorgeous, stylish, different, outstanding Christmas home decoration ideas. You can watch this video. Christmas is not only about decorating our home, and it is about creating beautiful memories, spending time with family and sharing kindness and filling every corner with happiness. Even the smallest handmade decoration can make a home feel warm and full of love. Now let's enjoy this amazing Christmas craft ideas together. Look at this beautiful design. It is simple, elegant, and full of holiday charm. You don't always need expensive decorations to make your home look magical. Sometimes the most beautiful decorations are the ones made with creativity, love, and imagination. Now look at this one. The colors work perfectly together. The soft lights, natural wood, ribbons, pine cones, and little Christmas details create a peaceful winter feeling. Every decoration tells its own little story. And here comes another lovely idea. This design is perfect if you enjoy a cozy farmhouse style. Natural materials like wood, twine, and greenery never go out of fashion. They make Christmas decorations look warm, timeless, and welcoming. Now let's zoom in and enjoy the tiny details. Every small decoration adds something special, and the careful arrangement, beautiful textures, and festive colors make everything look even more magical. Look at the contrast, the brightness, and the beautiful finishing. Small details can completely change the look of a decoration. That's why handmade ideas always feel unique, personal. This next decoration is absolutely wonderful. It proves that creativity has no limits. With a little inspiration, ordinary materials can become something beautiful for your home. Christmas is not about making everything perfect, it is about enjoying the creative process. Every handmade project carries your own personal touch, and that is what it makes it special. It's a very amazing different ideas, and now take a look at this beautiful ornament, and it can decorate your Christmas tree, your front door, your table, your even become a lovely handmade gift for someone you care about. Handmade gifts are always filled with because they come from the heart. Here comes another creative design. Is not it beautiful? Every color matched perfectly, creating a peaceful holiday atmosphere. Soft reds, green, white, gold, and natural woods colors always bring the Christmas spirit to life. Sometimes people think they need to buy expensive decorations, but creativity is much more valuable than money. A simple idea combined with patience and love can become something truly beautiful. Now enjoy this next decoration. Imagine it displayed in your living room, dining table, fireplace, or entry. Even a small Christmas decoration can make the whole room feel warm and joyful. Christmas reminds us to show down, smile more, appreciate our loved ones, and enjoy simple moments together. Decorations are always beautiful, but the happiest memories are made with the people we love. So, friends, look at this amazing craft. Every little piece have amazing, and every little piece has been placed carefully. It shows that how much beauty can come from patience and creativity. Now let's continue with another wonderful idea. Every image in today's collection brings a different style. Some are modern, some are rustic, some are elegant, and some are cute and playful. No matter your decorating style, this is always something to inspire you. If you enjoy decorating your home every holiday season, I hope these ideas give you fresh inspiration for this Christmas. You can even mix different style and create something completely unique. Now look closely at this design. The balance of colors, texture and decorations make everything look so relaxing. Christmas decorations are not only beautiful, they also create feelings of comfort, peace and happiness. Every Christmas season gives us a chance to create new traditions, maybe decorating the tree together and making ornaments, sharing hot chocolates, watching Christmas movies, or simply spending quiet time with family. Those little moments became unforgettable memories. I truly believe Christmas crafts are more than decoration. They are expressions of love, creativity, and joy. Every handmade piece reflects the excitement of the holiday season. As we continue watching these beautiful ideas, I hope you are finding inspiration for your own home. Maybe one design can inspire you to create your own special holiday. As we continue watching this beautiful idea, I hope you are finding inspiration for your own home. Maybe one design catches your attention, or maybe several designs inspire you to create your own special holiday decoration. Thank you so much for watching my videos, supporting my channel, leaving kind comments, and sharing your wonderful thoughts. Even I cannot reply to every comments because there are so many. Please know that I read many of them and I truly appreciate every single one. Your support means so much to me and encourages me to keep creating new videos for you. If you are enjoying today's video, don't forget to like it and share it with your family and friends who also love Christmas decoration. And if you are new here, you are always welcome to join our grooming community for more beautiful holiday inspiration. I wish you and your family peace, happiness, good health, and countless beautiful moments this Christmas season. May your home always be filled with love, laughter, hope you and wonderful memories. Thank you again for spending your time with me today, and keep smiling, keep creating, and keep spreading kindness wherever you go. Have a good, beautiful day, wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next Christmas inspiration video. Happy Christmas and goodbye. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.